All right guys, welcome back to Technique Tuesday. Today we're going to be teaching you how to hold the follower's hand properly in a left underarm turn or an inside underarm turn, okay? So we're going to use the bachata as an example step, but this kind of applies with any inside underarm turn that you may or may not be doing. So we're going to demo that real quick just so you get a visual. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do a little close-up and Chris is going to go into detail with what he's doing with his hand there.
So I am holding her hand like normal first, right? So what happens is I bring it inside, literally my elbow goes out to the side here. We have to both open our hands so now it can slide and you can see my fingertips are now pointing to the right and hers are still straight up, right? So we're like this. I open the hand so mine can turn inside of hers, but we still have connection to the middle of our fingers. I bring this across and now it's able to rotate within the hand, but now you can see we're like this. I want to flip my hand back over to take a regular dance position again, all right? So one more time, I'm gonna bring it, I open it, turn it, send it across. We stay connected the whole time through the fingertips. And now I'm going to let it turn in the hand to take a regular dance position again. You could, however, if you do it one more time, bring it across and through again, and underneath if you wanted to. And then I just, again, flip it up if I want to take a regular dance position again.
So what we don't want to do here is keep like a really strong connection to our partner's hand, and that goes for followers and for leaders. We can't hold on here.
Yeah, I don't want to keep the clasp. I can't bring this clasp across to turn her, obviously, because we're stuck. So what you want to practice is the feeling of we are together like this, and this hand moves around and we keep contact with one another the entire time. My hand ends up like this. I keep contact to her as I flip it up and get to this position again.
So now we're going to practice together. We'll actually show it you maybe from the side.
Okay.
So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. He starts to come across 5, 6, 7, 8. So he starts to open the hand right before the turn starts. If you watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now our hands end up in a good position. We're both still connected without holding on for dear life, and we don't have like a funny, awkward hand throughout, which is usually the problem.
Less is definitely more. I'd rather be lighter on it and lose her than be too firm and try to keep attached. I could start it and lose her and catch it. We'd rather that than feeling like you have to wrench through this turn and have too much contact, especially as a beginner. So
I know we demonstrated this in the bachata specifically, but the hand placement and tips here all kind of go for every single dance style that you may use. With multiple turns, it changes, but this is good for a single turn, which is most of the beginner steps anyway. So that is all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you didn't know, we do have a website, ballroom4you.com, where we have these kinds of videos and much, much more. So go check it out for yourselves, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.